way, Nat. Yeah, Nat. She's so good. I know it's your own kid. God. How'd a girl? She's so good. She gets to be 5'10". I mean, her shot is just so pretty.
You know what? She gets credit for that because I've been on her. I mean, other than I get the credit because I try to push the button.
Good box, Libby.
That's my only credit. I still hold on my AirPods. She corrected her shot on her own.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's recognizing the play, though. A lot of corner threes out of this group. You can tell that's what they're setting up for. Push, Libby, push! Don't travel. I speak truth. Oh, Aubrey, good flash. Sage, that's Krista's daughter. No. Yeah, she does. Can't leave her open. Can't leave her open. That's just being a better athlete. Oh, that's not all on that. Sammy, cut. There you go, Nat. Travel.
Nat, you're gonna have to change directions. Keep changing directions. Slide your feet. Quick.
Yeah, Nat! Oh! Close out, Aubrey. Good job. Slide over. Under control. She's gonna press the in. That's great. She was gone all week. Wasn't at practice. She was up the whole day. It's hard sitting this far. Can't yell at my kid. She probably appreciates it. She had
the best game ever.
Right. Yeah, Libby! Look up! Go back to the ball. That's a right hand floater. It's a right hand floater. Natalie 8, rest of the team 5. I mean, she's got all 8.
She's doing that despite because she kept asking me, "Can't you get it? You need to get it." I'm like, you don't wake up until you get it.
We are sagging too far on that corner.
All the way up.
It is. This is awesome. I hope we come here more often. There we go, Presley. Look at Libby. Oh, no, 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 no. It's a breakdown right there. I don't think they knew because Madeline came out, Taylor came in. I don't think they knew we were all guarding. I am like what Mike said. I definitely like the stop clock games way more than the run clock.
We played them here. Unfortunately,
for as little, there's no fans in here. This place is still loud. It's really loud. Good box there. That 2 on Aubrey? Good girl, Aubrey. Attack Natalie. Atta girl.
This one. So she pitched 87 pitches.
80?
Because she's not playing today.
Yeah.
They brought her in. We were down 2, but we got to keep it close, so they brought her in 6 for last 2 innings tonight. She got him out, and she got the walk.
Really?
All the boys rushed to her, and they're like, back to the like the real one. I'm doing a video after that. You know, she hit it, and she's burning her on bases, but she's like, she hit it.
Yeah.
She said, first, she's like, I'm getting trouble. Even though she knew the run. And the coach slowed her up, and she's looking at me like,
No, no, no.
I want my triple.
Yeah.
But the coach said, yeah, just stay here, and all the boys come out. She didn't know what to do.
Rip, Libby. That's that Whitlow girl. Yeah, she changed numbers. She changed numbers.